Hey everyone, if you're over 40 and feeling like your body isn't what it used to be, you're not alone. Aches, pains, stiffness, and a slower metabolism can creep up on us as we age. But guess what? It doesn't have to be that way. Today, I'm sharing 4 simple exercises that can help you feel stronger, more flexible, and full of energy. Let's dive in. First up, we're tackling one of the most common issues as we age: lower back pain. This is often caused by weak core muscles and poor posture. The fix? The dead bug exercise. Lie on your back, engage your core, and slowly lower one arm and the opposite leg toward the floor. Keep your lower back pressed into the ground. Return to the starting position and switch sides. Do 10 to 12 reps per side. This strengthens your core and protects your lower back. Next, let's talk about balance and stability. As we age, our balance can decline, increasing the risk of falls. The single leg stand is a game changer. Stand on one leg for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. To make it harder, try closing your eyes or standing on a soft surface. This exercise improves your balance and strengthens your ankles and legs. Now, let's address upper body strength. Muscle loss is a natural part of aging, but we can fight back with the seated row. Sit tall, engage your core, and pull your elbows back, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Slowly return to the starting position. Aim for 10 to 15 reps. This strengthens your back, shoulders, and arms, improving posture and reducing shoulder pain. Finally, let's talk about flexibility and mobility. Tight hips and hamstrings can lead to poor movement and discomfort. The 90-90 stretch is perfect for this. Sit in this position and gently lean forward, feeling the stretch in your hips. Hold for 20 to 30 seconds, then switch sides. This stretch improves hip mobility and relieves tension in your lower body. And there you have it. 4 simple exercises to help you feel stronger, more balanced, and more flexible after 40. Remember, consistency is key. Start with 2 to 3 sessions a week, and you'll notice a difference in no time. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips on staying fit and healthy at any age. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.